Welcome to the Eckler's YouTube channel. My name is Bill and I'm the new video host here at Eckler's. Now, if you're a current subscriber, you've probably noticed we have not posted content in quite a long time. Well, myself and my video producer Layman, we are here to change all of that. So if you are currently a subscriber, thanks for sticking around. But if you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button. We have a ton of cool content on the way. So let's start off with a little bit of history of the Eckler's brand. Now, Eckler's has been around a long time. It was started in 1961 by Ralph Eckler. He was crafting a hood for a damaged car. Basically, that led to a body shop, and led to a growing parts business. Now, the original focus was on classic Corvette, as well as classic Camaro and classic Chevy truck. He eventually expanded to other classic makes and models. After going through several owners over the years, Eckler's was acquired right here by Turn 5 in 2023. Now, Turn 5 is a massive automotive e-com company, owner of iconic brands like American Muscle, American Trucks, and Extreme Terrain. Eckler's was the perfect way to add classic auto parts to the growing Turn 5 family. Now, when Turn 5 picked up this brand, the goal was, and excuse the pun, to restore the brand and make it your go-to choice for all things classic parts. To do that, we want to do right by our customers, right by our vendors, and make sure you have the right parts, the right service, and best of all, a huge selection of videos right here on this channel. So a little more about me. Again, my name is Bill. My video producer Layman and I, we started creating automotive YouTube content over 14 years ago. Now, a lot of my professional background is with the Ford Mustang. I've always been a car guy, so I'm a fan of all different makes and models. So when the opportunity presented itself to come here to Eckler's, help grow this channel, and best of all, get to work on cars like this, I couldn't say no. So what makes and models do we support here at Eckler's? I can tell you right now, if it was made prior to the 80s and made in the US, we probably sell parts for it. But some of the major ones are going to include the classic Corvette, the Tri-5 Chevy, the classic Camaro, the El Camino, the Nova, the classic Chevy truck, and even 30s and 40s Chevys. We also sell parts for the Monte Carlo, the Chevelle, and Impala. On the GM side, we do the GTO Le Mans and Tempest, the Firebird, the Buick Grand Sport and Skylark, and the Olds Cutlass and 442. Now, over on the Ford side, of course, we support the Mustang, but we also do the Bronco, the Galaxy, the Econoline, the Thunderbird, the Falcon, the Fairlane, the Ranchero, and all of the early Ford trucks, even back to the Model A and Model T. Okay, so we talked about the makes and models that Eckler supports. How do you find parts for your particular car? Well, we make that real easy. Head over to Ecklers.com, and right at the top of the screen, you're gonna see a year, make, and model search. That search is gonna go back to the early 1900s, all the way to today's modern vehicles. Now, why on a classic page do we do that? Well, we offer other brands here at Turn 5, and we know that most people with a classic car probably have other cars in the garage. But say you're shopping for parts for your 1955 Chevy. So you're gonna put in 1955, you're gonna put Chevy, and if you have a 150 210 Bel Air, you're gonna add that next. What that's gonna do, it's gonna take you to a page that every part on there is for your Chevy. So whether you're looking for restoration parts, performance parts, there's special deals, there's top brands, everything you could possibly need for this car is right here on that page. And as always, our experienced sales and tech guys are a click or a phone call away. Now, if you're done shopping for your 55 and want to look for another vehicle, simply go to the top of the page, click change vehicle, and you'll have access to that year, make, and model search all over again. Okay, so what can you expect from this channel? Well, if you follow any other Turn 5 brands, you know we take great pride in producing high quality automotive content, and we plan on elevating Eckler's to that same level. So what does that mean? That means product videos. We're gonna put the products on the table, give you guys an up-close review of them, and show you things you might not see in pictures. Secondly is social videos. We wanna get out, we wanna meet our customers, and we want you to tell us your story, maybe even feature it right here in an Eckler's video. But our main focus is gonna be installation content, mainly do-it-yourself videos. You bought a part you don't know how to install, maybe you've never worked on your car before, we wanna be your go-to place to show you how to do that. And to give you more insight on how we're gonna do that, here's my video producer, Layman.
Hey Bill, good to see you. Let me just say it is great to be back. I want audiences to know that we are going to be shooting everything in high definition 4K so that we can bring you the most up close and personal, high detailed installation videos. But the main goal for all of our videos is we hope you find them informative as well as entertaining.
If you're a fan of classic cars and want to learn more about the products that Eckler's offers and more to the point, how to install them, make sure you click on that subscribe button. I've been doing this for a long time, and one thing I'm confident about, if I can install it, I know that you can too. So, will you be back on the road in no time? Keep it here at Ecklers.com, and I promise you will be.